Yes, my people, good day. Pulling a transmission out of a Nissan Versa. It's a CVT. Some of you may have noticed that newer cars do not have a dipstick anymore or anywhere to put the transmission fluid in. And the reason for that is people have been either overfilling or putting the wrong, putting the wrong fluid in. And the manufacturers came up with a design that prevents you from checking or filling. Has to be done using a specialty tool, right? I'd already had this pan off. So, check it out. So this is the pan. You fill it from here. You take this bolt out, or plug out, take this plug out, and you attach a special fitting. You pump the fluid in from below, and then when you remove the fitting at the right temperature, then you look for the drops coming out. It shouldn't be pouring out, it should just be trickling out. On the inside of the transmission, there's this little, I guess you could call this a snorkel, right? So what happened is now, when this is bolted to the transmission and you're filling it, the fluid level has to rise and rise. You have to keep putting more fluid in, more fluid in, more fluid in, and it's filling up. And when it gets to the correct level, then it flows out. Now this becomes a drain, and it drains out. So at the correct temperature, based on what the manufacturer say, you monitor the temperature. At the correct temperature, because the warmer the fluid gets, the more it expands. It will get to this level and then flows over. So you can't overfill it, technically. Someone could pump all that fluid in and just close it off, and it's overfilled. You're supposed to pump the fluid in at the right temperature, remove it, and it should trickle out. And when it stops dripping, you close it, because the fluid level is going to be right at the top right there, and it's going to be perfect. So this is the technology that has replaced the dipstick and the fill tube, where you can fill it from above. Now you got to fill it from below, and that's what it looks like. See that? Just like that. Just like that. Yeah. So just thought you might want to see it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless. Yeah.
And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.